Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the unboxing of the FlexBEAM. So after 2 years of crazy work, the Recharge team has now been able to put something in a box. So today we are going to do the unboxing of the FlexBEAM, and I will comment a little bit on the way and maybe, have some backstories to each of these parts. So let's have a look. This is a mail order box, so this is made to be sent by DHL or UPS, so it's made of a sturdy, of course, 100% recyclable material. It's a beautiful custom-made box. Here we go. And this is the FlexBEAM. So we chose this delicate, sort of Scandinavian look on the box. So let's see here. This one we can recycle. Wow, look at it. Empower your body to heal itself. So this box has a sleeve, which has a coat on it, so it has this matte feeling. It has some messaging on the side. And on the underside, we have our so-called USPs, UPS, unique selling points. It's beautiful, very well done. Tom and Björn, Sarah, all the guys in the marketing department, very, very well done. Let's see what happens if we slide it out. There we go. I can leave this here. Wow. So here we have the red light therapy guidebook. This is a book that we have made in Recharge. And this is the work of an entire organization, from the clinical team with Zulia and Sela doing research, and Sarah doing also research and backing up our claims. Of course, Arjen has to come with his electronics details and our light output, and Björn and Katarina and Tom is working together to put the whole thing together into one book. Neo has been finding printers and battling. It's not easy, I can tell you, to find printers here in Thailand, but this is a beautiful book. And we are going to give it at least to the first 150 customers, because this is such an important ambassador Bible. Wow. And then we have our thank you for your patience card. So this little card is a way for us to say thank you for having to wait a couple of more weeks this year. It has been a COVID crisis, which has sort of also delayed us a little bit in the logistics, but all in all, we are 2 to 3 weeks behind. So we want to say thank you for your patience. And then behind this, once again, with our messaging, I think we have it. Ooh, there we go. This is the charcoal FlexBEAM. So as you can see, once again, we chose recyclable paper. And this is Arthur. Arthur has spent weeks designing and detailing and once again battling with printers to make the geometrics and the inside measurements and how to fit it. And once again, 100% recyclable, so we're not creating any waste. And next to the product here, we have our charger and safety goggles. So inside here, you have charger with an adapter plug suitable for your market. Also in that nice PU feeling. And of course, here it is, the FlexBEAM. So this is the result of soon 2 years of hard work from the whole team. So from the firmware created by first Max and then Suri, working with Hin on the PCB design, and Arjen, of course, monitoring the whole thing. We have a Chinese team of Ellen and Mandy. Most of you have maybe not met them, but they are relentlessly following up all the factories and the orders that we are placing for the parts. The graphics here, this is Tom and Arthur and me. We have the Silicone Straps Kit. Just to make this product, we had to innovate. So we had to find a way to get the power and data from each pod back to the PU. So doing that, we have created a unique bridged channel of cables inside here. So this is Arjen's expertise, of course, to find clever solutions for difficult problems. When it comes to the user experience here, we have 3 different options. So we turn it on. We choose gear 1, 2, or 3. So 1 has a deep red in it. And if you don't do anything, it will turn on automatically. So it's extremely easy to use. And what you see here now is mostly red LEDs. And if I choose to pause it and then change the gear to 3, for instance, you will see that it's much less, let's see here, 3, much less red, but it's actually more power, but the power is in the near infrared that you cannot see. So how I typically use this, I put it on my neck after a long day, and I wear it like this for and it turns off by itself actually after 10 minutes, but this gives me a soothing feeling, and it opens up the blood up to my brain, and I can, chill out. So next to this, inside the packaging here, we also have our travel sleeve. So this is the way, because when you travel and you perhaps don't want to travel with a big bag or a big box, so we made this sleeve that protects your FlexBEAM, but it's still very convenient and easy to pack in your suitcase. And then we have the IFU, the instruction for use. Once again, simplicity, but here the research that has gone into this one as well is amazing. So it's the same with Sarah and Sela and Björn and Marissa and Arjen and Nicole. It's a whole team that has to work together in order to produce just this little IFU. And then, of course, procurement has to buy this, so Ananya and Ness, and then they have to work with Thomas to get the part into the ERP system. So it's a complete team that is needed in order to procure all these parts even before assembly. And here we have the bands in 3 different sizes. So this was the first unboxing of the FlexBEAM. And until next time, I would like you to eat some healthy fats. Have a great weekend and see you soon.